Hi, I'm Daniel.
And I'm Annette.
And this is our Chase for Adventure
on Railay Beach East. Today is a beautiful day here on Railay East. We're really sad because it was actually our last day and we had to take all of our stuff out of our beautiful bungalow. It's like crazy what a difference it is when you're like not sleeping with cockroaches and you actually have a bathroom that's like nice. But today we have a few fun things planned. We want to go see some caves that are around here, and then also Phra Nang Beach, which is like allegedly like one of the most beautiful, like really rivals Railay, which is the more famous one. So we're gonna go check that out. It's so sunny and so pretty. I love Thailand. Can we move here?
Right.
Done. Actually, the vlog is over. We canceled our plans. We're not traveling for the next 5 years. We're just gonna stay in Thailand.
So some of the big differences that we actually noticed between Railay West and Railay East is the beach. So much different. Yeah. Railay West has like a really pretty beach that you're able to go out on, swim in. You're really able to enjoy the atmosphere of sitting next to it and looking out on it, knowing that it's like really pretty.
Yeah.
Not so much the same with Railay East.
I think Railay East though like caters more to like people who are taking tours. There's a bunch of resorts on this side and it's also a little cheaper, but it's really not a far walk. It's like maybe like 10 minutes to Railay West, if that. And on Railay West you get the beach, you get the sunset, you get the bars. The prices are pretty similar in both locations. We ended up paying just under $20. It came out to like 850 baht. For a room with AC. That was a private room with a really nice bathroom right next to the cliffside with a balcony and a pool right in front of us and really close to all the action. On Railay West, however, you're looking at spending very close to $200.
Yeah. Probably
more than that. Given you're paying $200 for like this beautiful resort with like a jacuzzi in your room. So compared to like American prices, you're still getting like a huge bang for your buck for the same price.
You and I, we're always on the edge. We fight and make love at the same time. Would you break up just because I told you what I did last night? I recall the times you said you saw.
As the Annette exits the cave, you can only wonder if she took back form overnight.
I don't care, it's all forgotten now. We're holy when we touch it.
Guys, Phra Nang Beach is by far the most beautiful.
Hands down.
If you guys come to Railay, you guys need to come here. You have rock climbing immediately right on the side of the water. You have this beautiful dramatic cliff. You have Phra Nang Cave also. You're able to see the island from right across from here. And the water is emerald blue.
Yeah.
It's just like the most beautiful shade of turquoise that you could imagine. And the sand is really, really soft too. It's just gorgeous. I don't know why there's a competition.
Yeah, right, and it was not hard to get here at all. You literally took a marked and paved trail that they have through some cliffs for like 5-10 minutes.
Through caves.
Yeah.
Like through beautiful, beautiful caves. You have to pass Railay Viewpoint on the way to get here. It's just cooler.
Yeah,
like,
and then you turn a corner and it's like, wow, that's the beach in Islands.
Oh, it's beautiful. Well, I'm about to get in the water because I love it. And we're about to go explore Phra Nang Cave. We have made it to Phra Nang Cave here on the beach, and it's also known as the Princess Cave. Legend has it that fishermen will make offerings to the mythical sea princess that they believe lives in this cave and make offerings in the shape of phalluses because they believe that it protects them from danger, will keep them fertile, and just keep them safe when they go out to sea. Actually, we also learned that some fishermen still do this and make offerings to Shiva to this day, but that number is decreasing. But now we just have a cave full of phalluses. So Daniel doesn't want to get in the water today, so you guys get to have me try and go to the water behind that cliff. I'm a little bummed. Right now it's high tide, and so the water, as you can see, it's like almost at my chest. But usually you're actually able to walk out onto the beach and have plenty of sand to where you're able to really enjoy the cliffs that are behind me up close. So I'm just gonna try and do the best that I can without drowning. Sound good? Oh, that is some deep water. Daniel, you should have been the one doing this, dude. Oh, I'm too short. I'm gonna make it happen, just watch. Just gotta risk it for the biscuits sometimes. But look at this.
So now that we finished up on the beach, we are going to make our way back into the town so we can get some grub. I'm starving.
Me too. So a lot of you guys are probably wondering, but too polite to ask. This right here is Bernie. This is a burn scar literally 2 months ago, actually a little less than 2 months ago. I was wearing this like really pretty dress and it was all wrinkled, and we had a really crappy travel iron, right? And I would always iron stuff on myself. I know, it's dumb. Yes, I know. But then we went to my parents' house literally the week before we got onto this trip, and we used my mom's travel steamer thinking it was gonna be just as weak. It turned out being a very, very hot iron, and it was literally like it was this shape. And now I carry this shape with me everywhere. But this is Bernie. Say hi, Bernie. Hello. We've made it to Friendship Restaurant. We're done with our food, and now we're going back to Krabi. I don't want to go.
I'm here at the Railay, really, in the Blackpool. Come to see us, enjoy us, you know, with live music. This in the band.
Thank you.
Yes,
we had a really wonderful time jamming yesterday.
Yeah.
And the vibe here is so awesome. Everybody was so nice, and everybody was collaborating, and we were all just playing music together.
We don't like it. Love it. You get that shit.
Such
see
a
you
pleasure.
when you see me.
Yes, we'll do that. You take care. Bye.
See you when you see me, boy.
Sounds good. So this is actually the bar that we came to last night, and it was so much fun. It was a total blast. Everyone here was so nice. The band, we were able to literally just go up and start singing and play with them, and it was spectacular.
We literally were walking, just looking. It was so dead yesterday, and we were looking for things to do. And we saw some random guy who didn't look to us singing, and we're like, hold up. I think I know what's going on here. And then they literally just like welcomed us. They even gave us drinks. They got us water when we our voices were getting tired. And we just were enjoying time with them, and it was so awesome. So if you guys like to sing, or if you guys just like to have a good time and feel like a part of something bigger, this is the place that you need to go to.
Yep.
It's so fun.
Sawadee Krab. To Ao Nang. No. Okay. Time to get on the boat and officially leave.
Yes, and they were really nice this time. It was great. It's time to go into the Grundy water.
Yeah, man.
Deal.
Guys, I got so wet on that longboat ride. Literally, the waves were smashing me in the face the whole time. Oh, we're here. I don't know where I was going. I got into the ocean today, and I'm pretty sure I'm more wet now.
But we finally made it back to the hotel.
I feel like I'm coming back home.
Right? So we're gonna go ahead and check in.
We are back home, and honestly, it's bittersweet, but I'm really happy. Thank you guys so much for joining us in Railay. It was such a wonderful experience to be able to share with you guys. Please click the subscribe button below so that you can follow the rest of our adventures around the world.
Make sure that you go ahead and smash that like button.
Hit the notification bell.
And we will see you on our next adventure.
Yeah.